Hi kids, Miss Tina here, and let's learn more about chemistry. Now, last week I taught you about the periodic table, and we separated the elements in the periodic table as metals, non-metals, and semi-metals. Now, let's just recap a little bit about metals. Metals are strong, hard, malleable, ductile, high melting point. It can conduct heat and electricity. They are shiny. Now, other than that, bells are made from metal because metals are sonorous. Sonorous means there's a clanging sound when you hit it. Now, all these are very good for making different materials. However, sometimes what we want does not fulfill what the metal property cannot be fulfilled with the metal's property. In that case, we manage to make something called an alloy. What is an alloy? An alloy is a mixture of two or more metals. If I only have one metal, that metal might not have all the properties that I want it to have. It could be hard but not shiny. It could be shiny but it rusts very easily. So what happens is we mix two different metals to give it the best of both worlds. For example, I'm sure you have heard the word bronze before. In a sports, for example, in Olympics, the third prize is called bronze, remember? So why is it called bronze? Because it's actually an alloy made from copper and tin. This makes the bronze shinier, harder, and longer lasting. Now, another alloy also made from copper is called brass. And I'm sure you've heard this word before. Brass is used in brass instruments, for example, in trumpets and in cymbals. Now, is brass made of copper as well? Yes, brass is also an alloy of copper, but this time copper is mixed together with zinc. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the word steel before. Steel or cast iron is made when iron combines together with carbon. Now, carbon is not a metal, but carbon can be mixed with iron to produce cast iron or steel. If it is steel, it has less carbon. If it's cast iron, it has slightly more carbon. Adding carbon to iron prevents the iron from rusting and makes the iron much harder and stronger. Now, an aeroplane needs to be very, very light. Aluminium is the lightest metal in the world. However, aluminium is also very soft. Therefore, we made an alloy of aluminium and copper. This is called duralumin. Duralumin is very, very light, but it is also very, very strong. So these are the examples of alloys, and I will give you more examples when I see you in class. Bye-bye.